Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The Gujarat High Court has relied on inter alia the case of Indra Sahani within bracket Supra for coming to such conclusion in the judgment under appeal. Stop. Leave has been granted by this court under Article 136 of the Constitution of India in the petitions for special leave to appeal filed by the state of Gujarat, and these appeals involve the same or similar constitutional and legal questions on the basis of which the writ petition has been instituted before the Punjab and Haryana High Court, Chandigarh. Stop. The state of Haryana has opposed the plea for transfer, and reliance has been placed on their behalf on a decision of this court in the case of Commissioner of Services Tax versus Shri Selva Ganapathy and Company. Stop. It has been urged on behalf of the state respondents that the petitioners ought to wait for the judgment in the civil appeals instead of skipping one layer of the judicial hierarchy. Stop. It has also been argued on behalf of the state that the petitioners had approached the High Court after 4 years of issue of the notification dated 27/9/2013. Stop. The other authority relied upon by the state is the case of Lunawat Construction versus Union of India. Stop. In this case, it has been held that no prejudice would be caused to the parties if there is adjudication of the matter by the High Court at the first instance instead of the Supreme Court. Stop. But that observation was made in a writ petition filed under Article 32 of the Constitution. Stop. That authority does not assist the state respondents. Stop. There are three applications for impediment by Saurabh Nagwan, Shrikant and Deepak. Stop. They claim to be amongst the successful candidates from the EBPG category for the said posts, and they make this claim on the basis of result declared on 8/3/2019 by the Commission in respect of the same selection process. Stop. On their behalf, it has been argued that they have vital interest in the subject matter of this proceeding, as their engagement to the posts is held up because of the pendency of the present transfer petition. Stop. They have sought to distinguish the legal position between the writ petition of which transfer is sought for which the legal and factual basis of civil appeal numbers 9546 to 9549 of 2016 pending before this court. Stop. It has also been urged by the interveners that in course of hearing of the writ petitions before the High Court, the learned Advocate General of Haryana on 16/5/2019 stop over